Glams, it's your host again, Natanya with the Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you for all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. So it is wash day. Oh my gosh, it is time to wash this out. As you all see, I got some matted spots in here, and I'm going to be going in with a shampoo that does contain sulfates, and I'm going to be using the Tresemme Moisture Rich shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm going to give you all a review once I finish with washing it. It states that it provides luxurious moisture for dry or damaged hair. It contains vitamin E, and I'm already loving the conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and try the shampoo to see if it does exactly what it says it's going to do. And this is prior to me washing. As you all see, I do got some matted spots in here. So I want to see if it's going to help with the detangling. And it is kind of dry. I know on the camera it does not look like it is, but it is kind of dry. So I'll be back to review once I finish washing. All right, Glams, I'm back. I just got finished washing my hair, and let me just do a close-up. You all see that it is no longer matted. My hair is clean, it's fresh. Let me go ahead and just start with a little bit of the product review about the Tresemme Moisture Rich. I am liking this product. The only drawback is my hair is like squeaky clean, which is, I mean, I must say I do like. However, my hair does feel a little bit stripped, but that's fine. I can reapply the moisture, and which can be a good thing because I don't wash my hair every like two and a half, even up to 3 weeks. So I guess with it being the squeaky clean feel is probably kind of like a good thing, but I was able to glide right through. I have no product in it right now, and as you all see, I'm just gliding right through it really easily. And I'm going to go in now and do my deep conditioning routine, which is a must when you have natural hair to get the moisture back in your hair. So I'm going to be going in with the Tresemme, the conditioner part of this bottle, in the Moisture Rich conditioner. And I'm going to apply it, leave it on for an hour, and I'm going to show you all the results when I get done. I also have a photo on Instagram because, as you all see, the bottle is practically empty. So I do use the conditioner on a regular basis. I just wanted to give the shampoo a try out. I would recommend it if you want the squeaky clean feel, because like I stated, my hair does feel very squeaky clean. It almost feels stripped in a sense, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to go in with the conditioner by the Moisture Rich brand as well, and I'll be back in about another hour. G.L.A.Ms, I'm back with the rinse out of the moisture rich conditioner. I normally spot dry my hair with an old t-shirt. This is one of my husband's old t-shirts. I don't use towels because the hooks in the towels, and when you look at the towel really closely, the fibers has hooks in it and it could break the hair. So this is kind of like the final reveal. I just rinsed it out of while I was in the shower, and I must say that moisture is back in my hair from me deep conditioning with the moisture rich conditioner. I already used the conditioner anyway as a styler. This is my first time using it as a deep conditioner, and even though my hair did feel a little bit stripped with the moisture rich shampoo, I must say the good thing of it is it took out all the product in my hair, being that I used the sulfates and the being that I used the cones in my hair and mineral oils and petrolatum. All that gunk can get built up on your scalp and your hair, and being I do not wash my hair as often, this has helped tremendously with removing the product. So I think I'm going to continue this in my regimen, being that I do wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. There are some other good shampoos out there on the market that don't strip the hair as much as this one, but I am going to continue with it. It's the moisture rich, and the conditioner in the moisture rich I've already been using as a styler. As you all see the results, I'm loving it. My hair is soft. The moisture did come back in my hair, so I will recommend these two products right here. If you need a squeaky clean feel to your hair, this is the shampoo to use. And if you just need use this conditioner as a styler, as well as a deep conditioner and a moisturizer, I recommend this one as well. This is all I have for you today. Be blessed and be glamorous.